Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto markets. To start things off, I want to say Happy New Year, everyone. It is now 2022. I hope you had an amazing holiday season with your families. I did have a nice little holiday break, but right now it's the first Monday of the new year of 2022, so it's all gas, no brakes, and it's time to get down to business. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you my top 5 coins for the year of 2022. I do expect the prevailing market trends in this new year to continue to be emerging layer 1 blockchains. Metaverse, play to earn gaming will be big again, and I do think social and fan tokens will be a big trend in this new year. So these top 5 coins will pertain to these market trends. So without further ado, let's get into my top 5 coins. If that does interest you, be sure to stick with me until the very end of this video. And if you are new to Crypto Empire, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And let the gains be with you. So to start off this video, let's take a look at the overall market cap before we get into the 5 coins. We can see at this moment in time, we do have a $2.34 trillion market cap with Bitcoin trading at $46.3 thousand. Now the market has been in consolidation mode. If you haven't been paying attention, if you took some time off over the holidays, you didn't miss much. Ever since the December 4th liquidation event crash, everything has been kind of consolidating. Overall, general market conditions are flat. We do have a few outliers at this moment in time that are pumping up and testing their all-time highs. Now with that being said, let's get into my number 5 coin for the year of 2021, and that is Quant, ticker symbol QNT. At this moment in time, Quant is trading for $178, sitting at rank number 69 in market cap with a current market cap of about $2.4 billion. Now, one thing that I really like about Quant is its scarcity. You can see over here the total supply is 14.6 million coins, with the circulating supply only at 13.4 million. All right, so Bitcoin has a maximum supply of 21 million, and that is extremely scarce. Quant has a total supply of 14.6 million. So that is definitely something to consider, but I really like the fundamentals of Quant. You can see the all-time high is $427, and that did happen about 4 months ago. Now, if you don't know what Quant is, I've talked about it a lot here in the channel. I made a full video explicitly for it, but I'll briefly read what Quant is right here. So Quant is a London-based network set to revolutionize blockchain technology with the development of their blockchain operating system called Overledger. All right, so this isn't necessarily a layer 1 blockchain. It is a blockchain operating system, an OS. The experienced team are determined to fulfill the original vision of the internet by creating an open, trusted network for people, machines, and data to operate securely and safely. Overledger is the first interoperable blockchain operating system that facilitates internet-scale development of decentralized multi-chain applications. These are known as MDApps, different from regular dApps. Overledger has the ability to unlock and distribute value and applications across current and future blockchains. It's an agnostic platform that connects the world's networks to blockchains and ensures you're not limited to any single vendor or technology. Overledger is the only platform that facilitates the development of internet, scales development of decentralized multi-chain applications. All right, so this is a major project, and it is important to consider their role with huge kind of establishments, governments, banks, major banks, and the likes. We can read right here this document. One thing to keep an eye on is the ISO 2022. Now, there are 5 coins that have been endorsed by the ISO 22, and there are 3 that have said to not officially be endorsed just yet. And those 3 are HBAR, Quant, and Cardano ADA. The ones that are already endorsed are XDC, IOTA, Algo, XRP, and XLM. But if I'm going to pick one banker coin out of the lot, it's going to be Quant. And let me go ahead and explain further why I really like Quant. So we can head over to the Quant website. This is quant.network, and we can read some facts about Quant. And the first one I want to share with you is the scalability of Quant's Overledger distributed ledger technology gateway. So this allows the interoperation of any type of data, state changes, smart contracts, IDs, or digital assets, whether that be an NFT or a fungible token. between ledgers. It provides enterprises and developers with what Quant calls universal interoperability. So their technology is inspired by the TCP/IP model on which today's internet is built. All right, so it's connecting everything already on the internet, Web 2.0, and it will make that interoperable with everything being built with blockchain, Web 3.0, etc. It is basically bridging everything together and allowing for large scale adoption by major corporations and other enterprise level operations. All right, so this is a very big, well-funded project making huge moves. It's already a top 100 coin. It had a huge 2021, and I do expect this to actually go ahead and continue in 2022. We can see some use cases for Quant. So facilitating a global ecosystem for digital assets, enabling open access to central bank digital currencies for the first time, and we can see unlocking the potential of stablecoin for commercial banks. So a lot of, like I said, legacy banking, and then they're also building, of course, the operating system for the blockchain. You can see Quant's Twitter account, 71.7 thousand followers. Go ahead and follow Quant if you want to stay up to date with them. And then one thing, if you want to learn more about Quant, I recommend you to watch this interview with Gilbert Verdane, who is the CEO of Quant. And he did an interview last year in October of 2020 with Real Vision. All right, and you can learn a lot about Quant and what they are up to. Obviously, this is over 1 year old, but nonetheless, the fundamentals of Quant have not necessarily changed over this time. There's just been a lot of new developments. Now, with that being said, let's hop on over to the price chart and see what is happening with Quant at this moment in time. So you can see it did have that all-time high up here at $430. That was back in September. And from then it has retraced quite significantly. It dropped as much as 66%. To current price, it's down about 58%. It did go ahead and test this key demand zone down here at about $150. Nice psychological round number, makes sense. Now price has actually pushed back up to $178, facing a lot of resistance up here at around $200, $210. So what you want to look for is to basically go ahead and you want to see price use this $200, $210 level. You want to break out above that and start using that as support before you start pushing higher and fill this gap up towards this all-time high resistance around $350. Right now, I think the best approach to take for something like Quant, I'm very bullish on this asset, so the best approach to take would be to try to get the best average price over time by a dollar cost average approach. This is not financial advice. As you can see, price is down 60 or 58% from all-time high. I do expect it to have a big 2022. I can see this asset trading for multiple four figures, multiple $1,000s. That is my number 5 coin for 2022. Let's go ahead and keep it moving on and go over coin number 4. And coin number 4 is going to be Harmony One. Harmony One is a layer 1 smart contract Ethereum virtual machine compatible blockchain. And in terms of network effect and adoption, it is seeing a lot of user growth. A lot of developers are choosing to build on Harmony for its scalability and because it is really making a name for itself in the blockchain space. We have talked about Harmony One quite a bit here in the Crypto Empire channel in the past, and we have made significant gains with it in 2021, but I do expect it to still trade in the multiple dollar price levels. You can see at this moment in time, Harmony One is trading at 31 cents with a market cap of $3.6 billion, putting it at rank number 51. And I think it has a lot of room to take a lot of the market share of some of the other top layer ones higher up in market cap, whether that be AVAX, Solana, Algorand, etc. I think Harmony One will be taking some market share and putting itself in the top 20 in market cap. You can see the all-time high of Harmony One is 37.9 cents. This did happen 2 months ago, and that is down about 17% from its current all-time high. So we can go ahead and we can take a look at the Harmony One website. This website is harmony.one, and we can see a little bit more about what Harmony One is. So Harmony One is scaling cross-chain Ethereum applications. You can see at this moment in time, it does have 227 apps with 403,000 wallets, $244 million in assets with 3 cross-chain bridges. And it does have a thriving ecosystem that is being developed right now. Metaverse projects going live, NFTs are taking off, and this is definitely a blockchain layer 1 to have on your radar in 2022. You can see some comparisons between Harmony One and some other layer 2s and you can see that Harmony One does actually have some better specs in terms of finality time, in terms of fees, and in terms of security. So one could say that Harmony One is doing a better job solving the blockchain trilemma, which of course is what every layer one is trying to solve, that Ethereum is really struggling with in terms of its scalability. You can also see some protocol features comparing it to Ethereum, Polkadot, Cosmos, and you can see it's much quicker, it's much cheaper, and it really does have the upper hand in a lot of specs in terms of really fees and finality time, etc., compared to these other main blockchains, which are great projects. I'm bullish on Cosmos, bullish on Polkadot, but I'm more bullish on Harmony One in the new year. Now you can go ahead and see their Twitter account. They currently do have quite a bit of followers. This is a huge kind of community over here, 305,000 followers. I encourage you to go ahead and follow Harmony on Twitter to stay up to date with everything that they are doing at this moment in time. Now, with this being said, it will not be a full fundamental analysis video on each one of these projects, so let's keep it moving on and take a look at the Harmony One chart. So we can go ahead and see. Now at this moment in time, Harmony One is making a push up towards its all-time high up here at 38 cents. As you can see right over here, Harmony broke out from this neckline W chart pattern formation, and we did actually call that in the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group. I can go ahead and show you right here. And I did demonstrate with a line chart because it's much more clear with the line, but basically we anticipated this breakout, right? And we did go ahead and actually catch this move. Now with that being said, you can see that price has pumped quite significantly from that breakout. It's up about 64%, and it is testing the all-time high right now. So is this the best time to buy? Well, this is not financial advice, but I never recommend chasing a pump. Now with that being said, of course, any pullbacks would be for buying, and I do expect this to get back into this channel. As you can see, I've created this channel with my chart connecting the candle wick lows as well as the candle highs of this uptrend. So I do expect Harmony to get back into this channel and use this trend line. I love using trend lines as well as Fibonacci extension levels to find price targets. You can see this is going to come into play around 40, 45, 50 cents. And eventually it will be testing the top of the channel just as it did previously 2 times over here. Right, so I can say with quite a bit of certainty, obviously not financial advice, I don't have a crystal ball, but I'm pretty confident Harmony One will be touching the channel up here. I think it will be trading for at least $1.50 to $2, and I think it's going to have a monstrous 2022. I can also pull a fib and see some fib extension levels here in the chart, and we do have the 2.618 right up here at $1. Definitely think Harmony will be crushing that and heading up, like I said, upwards to $2. And then possibly even higher from there. But let's not get too excited. Let's take it level by level. Harmony One, do not fade it. Have it on your radar. I definitely recommend you to look into it if you haven't yet already. It is definitely a layer one blockchain that is making a lot of noise in the space. Now with that being said, we've talked quite a bit already about layer ones and interoperable networks with Quant and now Harmony. Let's talk about metaverse and play to earn gaming with coin number 3. And coin number 3 is going to be Gala Games, ticker symbol Gala, trading at 44 cents with a current market cap of $3.3 billion, putting that at rank number 55 in market cap. You can see the circulating supply of Gala is 7.5 billion with a total supply of 36.49 billion tokens. All right, so it does have quite a bit of supply still to be released, so definitely keep that in mind going forward. Now we can see down here that the all-time high of Gala is 82 cents, currently down about 46%. That did occur at the end of November. All right, so it has retraced quite significantly over the past month or so with the market correcting. And as well, metaverse as a whole is kind of down right now. I don't necessarily think it will stay down for too much longer. Do with that information what you will. Now we can go ahead and see right here that Gala is designed to power the Gala Games ecosystem to support gaming reimagined to benefit creators and players alike. So the Gala Games ecosystem is definitely an ecosystem that you're going to want to know about if you didn't already know about it. So Gala making blockchain games you'll actually want to play. So they are developing several games, and all of these games are play to earn blockchain games that already have adoption. People are already playing them and making significant money playing them already. And from what I've seen, Gala is really the premier go-to kind of gaming studio making multiple games in the cryptocurrency space. We can see right here their games they're already developing. So they do have The Walking Dead Empire. This is a survival MMO RPG. They have Mirandus, which is a fantasy RPG. And then they also have a game called Legacy. So this is the business simulation genre, also in development right now. They have Last Expedition, which is a survival first-person shooter. They have Echoes of Empire, which is a strategy game. They have Spider Tanks, player versus player brawler game, right? That's in beta. Townstar simulation game in beta, right? A lot of people are making quite a bit of money actually playing Townstar. And also Fortified, which is a tower defense game currently in development. And also, you can run a Gala Games node, right? I do know a few people personally running Gala Games nodes, and they are very happy that they made the decision to actually go ahead and run their nodes. And you can see with a Gala Games node, you get rewarded with Gala, limited edition NFTs, and opportunities to help the Gala Games ecosystem grow. All right, so Gala, huge project. There's a reason it's already ranked number 55 in market cap. I do expect it to continue to dominate in terms of other play-to-earn metaverse games out there. Definitely look into Gala if you haven't already. Follow them on Twitter for more updates. As you can see, they have quite a big following already, and I expect that to continue to really grow astronomically in 2022. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at the Gala price chart. So we can see with Gala, it did have a monstrous parabolic pump up in mid-November, peaked out in late November, and now it has been consolidating sideways, forming a bit of a flag pattern here. And I do have some key kind of demand zones levels outlined here in the charts. First one is up here around 40 cents. Second one is down here at about 35 cents as my second area of interest. And then we do have one down here, which I will be very happy if it did actually hit, so I can go ahead and scoop up some more at a great price. But that's down here at about 20 cents, 20 to 23 cents. We do have a base rally demand zone. So this has pumped up quite parabolically, and I do personally expect this trend to actually continue. So these are your main levels. First one about 40 cents, second one about 35 cents. And then watch for something around the 25 cent level on Gala. I do think Gala will be trading for multiple dollars in 2022, currently trading for 42 cents. Have this one on your radar in the new year. Now let's keep this video moving along and talk about a social fan token that delivered amazing gains for us in 2021. And I think it's going to be doing more of the same for us in 2022. And that coin, that token is Chiliz CHZ. So you can see Chiliz at this moment in time is trading for 30 cents, ranked number 89 in market cap, putting that at $1.6 billion in total market cap. Currently, there is 5.3 billion Chiliz tokens in circulation with a total supply of 8.888 tokens in total. Now you can see the all-time high of Chiliz is 87 cents. We're down 65%, and that did happen in March. Of course, we caught that pump here at Crypto Empire. I've shown the clip multiple times. We might as well show it again for good measure.
So if we look at Chiliz on the 3-day, we can see that we've been ripping up. All right, people are taking notice to this thing. It is newer, and they're doing a lot. They're partnered with Binance. They're doing launch pools on Binance. It's big, all right, for their tokenized sports teams. If we look at current price to where we've been, we still have 90%. I think it's going to blow past where we've been. I think it's going to burst into price discovery, all right? I'm super, super bullish on Chiliz if you haven't noticed by now. This thing is primed up.
So in quarter one of 2021, Chiliz did about a 30x in dollars, in US dollars, and over a 10x in its Bitcoin pairing as well. So absolutely huge gains. We love to see that, and I do think it will continue on in 2022. Now, if you don't know what Chiliz is, I will briefly explain. So Chiliz is a fintech platform for the sports industry to allow global fans to get closer to their favorite sports teams and clubs. We can take a look at the Chiliz website right here, and we can see that Chiliz is the rocket fuel for Socios.com. And Socios.com is a fan engagement platform built from the ground up on the Chiliz blockchain infrastructure and uses the CHD token as its exclusive on-platform currency. And what is Chiliz? So Chiliz is a currency option for blockchain-backed products and services geared towards mainstream consumers. They want to elevate everyday experiences, fan engagement, and entertainment, alternative payment solutions for conventional products, and more. Chiliz provides sports and entertainment entities with blockchain-based tools to help them engage and monetize their audiences. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I think fan social tokens are going to be a huge mega trend in 2022 with creators, with big brands wanting to monetize. This is key right here, monetize their audiences, all right? Pay attention to that. I think you're going to be seeing a lot of it in this new year. We can also take a look at socios.com, see what it looks like. And they are partnered up with a lot of huge soccer, football clubs. We can take a look at all their partners right here. So these are all the football clubs, and then some gaming as well. And then fighting, they have the UFC and the Professional Fighters League. Motorsports, including Austin Martin, Alfa Romeo, some cricket, basketball, a lot of the NBA is in here. Tennis, the Davis Cup. They do have the New England Patriots. They got the Pats as a partner, and a lot of ice hockey teams as well. Expect this to expand. Expect more clubs, more organizations, sports organizations to go ahead and join socios.com. And Chiliz is really a token that you should definitely have on your radar. You can see their Twitter over here, 430,000 followers. And really, if you want to get more involved with your favorite teams, with your favorite clubs, Chiliz is an excellent way to do so. With that being said, let's take a look at this CHZ price chart at this moment in time. And looking at Chiliz on the daily chart, we can go ahead and see that it is trading for 29.5 cents right now. Now, it did have a very nice crash over here in the beginning of December when the entire market did actually tank, right? Crashed about 45%, and it has recovered, and it is having a nice recovery right now. You can see it's making consecutive higher lows, right? But what I'm really looking for to see a bullish move on Chiliz is a move back into this channel. Now, this channel originates at the spring summertime lows that we encountered in 2021. And all I did was extend some trend lines right. And you can see that this channel has played out quite well so far as areas of buying and selling on the price charts. If you want to learn how I draw my trend lines, I made a full video about it. I'll leave a card right here. Go ahead and watch that. I encourage you, if you don't know how to use trend lines, to get that skill in your technical analysis repertoire and your little tool belt there, because it will serve you very well if you're just getting into crypto in 2022. So I am expecting Chiliz to get back up here into the channel, and I think it will be pushing towards the top of the channel right around this 57.60 cent area over here. Realistically, I do have this green line drawn at about 65 cents. I can see that acting as a magnet for price, and that would be over a 100% return from current price. But of course, I think Chiliz will be delivering more than a 100% return in 2022. I can see it trading for multiple dollars. I'm not going to be getting into exact price predictions in this video, but just know Chiliz, I'm very bullish on it. Watch for price to get back into the channel in the short term and go ahead and make a test at the top of the channel over here at 65 cents. That's coin number 2. Let's get into coin number 1. Coin number 1 is a layer 1 blockchain network. I've talked about it here in the channel before, and that coin is, drum roll please, HBAR, Hedera hash graph. HBAR is trading for 30 cents at this moment in time with a $5.7 billion market cap, putting it at rank number 33 in market cap, all right? So I believe this is the lowest market cap coin that I have brought up today. And I'm bullish on more than 5 coins. I hold more than 5 coins in my personal portfolio, but I can only talk about 5 coins for this specific video. Nonetheless, HBAR coin number 1. We can see right now HBAR circulating supply, 18.6 billion coins with a total supply of 50 billion. Now, HBAR has an all-time high of 56 cents. This did happen back in September of 2021, and it is down 45% from that all-time high. If you don't know what HBAR is as a network, I encourage you to watch my full video I did make about it, but we can read a little bit about HBAR right here. So Hedera is a decentralized public network where developers can build secure, fair applications with near real-time consensus. The platform is owned and operated by a council of global innovators including Avery Dennison, Boeing, Deutsche Telekom, DLA Piper, FIS, WorldPay, Google, IBM, LG Electronics, Magulu, Namuru, Swirlds, Tata Communications, University College of London, Wipro, and Zane Group. All right, so that's their council. These are the people that are running the nodes for the Hedera network. So the Hedera Consensus Service, HCS, acts as a trust layer for any application or permission network and allows for the creation of an immutable and verifiable log of messages. Application messages are submitted to the Hedera network for consensus, given a trusted timestamp and fairly ordered. Use HCS to track assets across a supply chain, create auditable logs of events in the advertising platform, or even use it as a decentralized ordering service. All right, so HBAR, main layer 1 blockchain, building some really great tech over there. And go ahead and follow them on Twitter. You can see they do have a big following. They are a lot of metaverse projects building on HBAR right now, and NFTs as well. So get involved in the HBAR ecosystem if you want to go ahead and kind of learn more exactly what is going on with HBAR. They do have a big Q1 of 2022 planned. You can see they do have some big updates planned in terms of their ecosystem decentralization and their performance at scale. All right, so HBAR, definitely have this one on your radar going into 2022. Let's go ahead and take a look at the price chart at this moment in time. So we can see with HBAR, it is in a pretty clear uptrend right here, and it did have a nice crash down here to about the 25-20 cent level. And I did expect this to happen. I knew this was the key level on the chart, so I was very happy to see it come right to my outline demand level. I even let everybody know in the free Crypto Empire Telegram group. If you're not a member of the Telegram group, there's a link down in the description below where you can go ahead and join that Telegram group. But I did let everybody know how HBAR was sitting at the key level at 25 cents. And in my HBAR YouTube video, I did mention how that 24-cent level was a key demand level, ideal for entry. And lo and behold, we had an amazing opportunity down here. Congratulations to everybody that capitalized on it. It could be a generational entry for HBAR, but I'm not here to call generational bottoms. We'll see. A lot could happen in 2022. I'm bullish. I think the bull market will continue and probably peak out sometime in 2022. But we'll see if this was actually the bottom. We're up about 30% to current price. And you can see we do have a bit of work to do. Some key levels over here at 36 and 42 cents. And then the all-time high is up here at 54 cents. But I think HBAR can easily be trading for $2 plus in 2022. Again, this is not a price prediction video, just kind of a general consensus overview of my top coins now that we are in the new year. So I hope that you did enjoy this video. Any questions, leave them in the comments down below. So with the year of 2022 upon us, many market speculators are looking for that next altcoin that's going to deliver them life-changing gains. And while I didn't cover anything really outside of the top 100 market cap in this video, I covered mainly blue chip altcoins that I expected to perform very well this year. Understand, if you're in search of those crazy high astronomical parabolic 100x gains, you might have to venture out a little further into the lower market cap rankings. Nonetheless, I'm bullish on all 5 of these coins. I do consider them blue chips, but I did enough talking in this video. I want to hear from you now. Are you bullish or are you bearish on any of these coins? Leave a comment down below. And if you are new to Crypto Empire, go ahead right now and subscribe to the channel and turn on all the notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Also, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you let me know by dropping a like. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.